Hello viewer. We are migrating our application, our website to Namecheap to Contabo. So this is the Contabo dashboard of mine. So I am buying the VPS. So I have already installed the VPS. So I am already migrated the all application in the VPS. Also I am using the Plex. So this is the Plex. So this is the page I am using. And this is my WSM. So this is the Namecheap. So this is the highest page. Also I am paying highestly. So I am going to the Contabo. So this is the very less amount you can use the Contabo also. So best of luck. Any issue for migrating, any need help, you can contact me. I will help you. So best of luck.